This is a million-dollar question. What policies we need to support people in their aspirations? There is no simple answer to that because policies work out in combination. Individual policies usually are not very effective in supporting people in realizing their fertility plans. So we often prefer to talk about packages of policies, how well they are aligned with each other, how much they support people with different preferences, how much flexibility do they give different people with these preferences over their life courses in supporting them in realizing their family plans. In a nutshell, three main groups of policies are very important. One of them, financial incentives, benefits, and tax breaks, which should be invested especially into the early stage of child's life. The other package, all the support towards childcare, provision of universal, subsidized, and high-quality childcare is key, again, especially in the early stage of child's life, where the education costs are very high in countries where childcare provision is not subsidized and where there is little availability of childcare. And third, good provision of parental leave after the childbirth with high income replacement rate and a lot of flexibility for the parents to take parental leave for the duration they want, full-time, part-time, but also the availability of parental leave for both fathers and mothers. Specifically, in the context of South Korea, there are several policy areas where the government can focus attention to. One is the costs of housing, which make housing unaffordable for many young people, especially in the Seoul metropolitan area. Second, gender inequalities, which are still very prominent in Korean society and make it extremely difficult for Korean women to combine family life and their career. Third, massive education costs, which are most important for Korean parents who are trying to make sure that their kids succeed in very competitive education system. Fourth, the labor conditions and the long working hours and inflexible working hours, which make it again difficult for Korean parents, both men and women, to combine work with their family life.